New Orleans, Louisiana is a city known for its food, its culture, and its bayous. It is also known for its historic streetcars. The Perley Thomas streetcars that ply the various trolley lines throughout the city are known worldwide. In fact, one of the city's former streetcar lines, known as the Desire Line, gave Tennessee Williams the inspiration for his famous play, A Streetcar Named Desire. While at one time New Orleans boasted over 20 different streetcar lines, today there are just 4 routes with a little under 25 miles of track. The most well-known of these lines is the St. Charles Line, running from the edge of the famed French Quarter westbound along St. Charles Avenue through the Arts and Garden districts and into Carrollton. The St. Charles Line is also the oldest continuously operating street railway in the world, with the first operation beginning in 1835 and using steam locomotives. As has been the case for nearly a century now, Perley Thomas streetcars built in the early 1920s are used in regular daily service on the St. Charles Line. Each car is listed as a National Historic Landmark. As they say in New Orleans, let's let the good times roll as we take a look at the historic streetcars running on the world's oldest streetcar route, the St. Charles Streetcar Line. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this look at the St. Charles streetcar line. For more information, please visit norta.com. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more like it in the future, leave me a comment below and remember to hit the like button too. If you're not already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss out on my latest posts and video uploads. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.